You won't be able to appreciate the beauty and untamed power of these surreal destinations until you see them for yourself. One of life's greatest pleasures is travel, and there are many ways to stamp your passport. Visiting some of the most unusual locations will do more than just fill your camera with Instagram-worthy photos of inhospitable deserts, magical caves, and everything in between. When it comes to surreal places, the world is full of incredible destinations that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Here are 15 places that are definitely worth visiting. Number 1. The world's largest salt flat is located in Bolivia at Salar de Uyuni. The dry season, which lasts from May to November, is the best time to visit Salar de Uyuni. The salt flat is covered in a thin layer of water during this time, creating a stunning mirror effect. The main draw to Salar de Uyuni is simply admiring the otherworldly landscapes. You can also go to nearby Isla Incahuasi, which is covered in cacti and provides panoramic views of the salt flat. The majority of visitors choose to stay in a salt hotel, which is entirely made of salt blocks. These one-of-a-kind accommodations provide a one-of-a-kind and memorable experience. Number 2. Antelope Canyon is a breathtaking slot canyon located near Page, Arizona, USA. It's known for its ethereal beauty, with smooth, curved rock formations and shafts of light that create a magical and surreal environment. When you visit Antelope Canyon, you'll be amazed by the intricately carved rock formations that have been created over time by the forces of water and wind. The smooth curves of the rock walls and the shafts of light that filter down into the canyon create a truly otherworldly environment. There are two sections of Antelope Canyon, Upper Antelope Canyon and Lower Antelope Canyon. Both sections are unique and offer different experiences, so you may want to consider visiting both. Upper Antelope Canyon is known for its light beams, which are best seen during the middle of the day, while Lower Antelope Canyon is known for its deeper, more dramatic curves and shadows. In addition to Antelope Canyon, there are several other natural attractions in the Page area, including Horseshoe Bend, Lake Powell, and the Glen Canyon Dam. These places offer stunning views and outdoor activities, making them great additions to any visit to Antelope Canyon. Number 3. Cenote Ik-kil is a beautiful and crystal-clear sinkhole located near the ancient Mayan city of Chichen Itza, in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. It's a popular destination for travelers who are interested in swimming, snorkeling, and exploring the unique underwater environment of a cenote. When you visit Cenote Ik-kil, you'll be amazed by the turquoise waters and lush vegetation that surround the sinkhole. The cenote is approximately 130 feet, 40 meters, deep, making it a popular spot for swimming and snorkeling. You can also climb down the steps that lead into the water to explore the underwater caves and caverns that are found below. In addition to Cenote Ik-kil, there are several other cenotes in the area that are worth visiting, including Cenote Sutin, Cenote ik-kil, and Cenote dos Ojos. These cenotes offer a variety of experiences, from swimming and snorkeling to diving and exploring underwater caves. Overall, Cenote Ik-kil is a beautiful and unique destination that is a must-see for anyone visiting the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. Whether you're interested in swimming, snorkeling, or simply exploring a unique natural environment, Cenote Ik-kil is a truly unforgettable destination. Number 4. The Wave is a stunning and highly coveted natural rock formation located in the Coyote Buttes area of the Paria Canyon Vermilion Cliffs Wilderness, near the Arizona-Utah border in the United States. It's known for its undulating sandstone formations and unique, wave-like appearance, making it a popular destination for photographers and nature lovers. When you visit the Wave, you'll be amazed by the intricate and flowing sandstone formations that make up the area. The red and orange hues of the sandstone create a beautiful contrast against the blue sky, making for some truly breathtaking vistas. In addition to the Wave, there are several other natural attractions in the area, including Antelope Canyon, Horseshoe Bend, and the nearby Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument. These places offer stunning views and outdoor activities, making them great additions to any visit to the Wave. Number 5. The Crystal Caves are a series of stunning underground caves located in the heart of Bermuda. They're known for their sparkling crystal-clear pools of water, impressive stalactites and stalagmites, and unique geological formations. When you visit the Crystal Caves, you'll be taken on a journey through a series of underground chambers and passages, where you'll see the crystal-clear pools of water and the impressive formations of stalactites and stalagmites. The caves are lit with colorful lights, which enhance the beauty of the sparkling crystals and create a truly unique environment. Number 6. The Dark Hedges is a beautiful and iconic avenue of beech trees located in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. It's known for its striking and atmospheric appearance, with the intertwined branches of the trees creating a tunnel-like effect, and it's one of the most popular tourist attractions in Northern Ireland. When you visit the dark hedges, you'll be struck by the beauty and atmosphere of the avenue of trees. The beech trees were planted over 200 years ago and have since grown into a striking and iconic landscape. The twisting branches of the trees create a natural canopy overhead, making for a beautiful and serene walk along the road. In addition to the dark hedges, there are several other natural and historical attractions in Northern Ireland, including the Giant's Causeway, the Carrick a Reed Rope Bridge, and the Old Bushmills Distillery. Number 7. The Zhangye Danja landform is a stunning geological formation located in the Gansu province of China. It's known for its colorful and dramatic rock formations, with towering peaks, steep cliffs, and rolling hills that create a truly unique and beautiful landscape. When you visit the Zhangye Danja landform, you'll be amazed by the vibrant colors and dramatic formations of the rock formations. The layered rock formations are made up of various minerals and sediments that have been compacted and shaped over millions of years, creating the unique landscape that is seen today. The park is also home to several temples and monasteries, making it a popular destination for those interested in both geology and culture. In addition to the Zhangye Danja landform, there are several other natural and historical attractions in the Gansu province, including the Maijishan Grottos, the Mogao Caves, and the Hexi Corridor. Number 8. The Blue Lagoon is a stunning geothermal spa located in Grindavik, Iceland. It's known for its milky blue waters and geothermal mineral content, which make for a truly unique and relaxing experience. When you visit the Blue Lagoon, you'll be amazed by the beauty and tranquility of the spa. The milky blue waters are heated by geothermal energy from beneath the Earth's surface, making for a warm and relaxing soak. The mineral content of the water is also said to have therapeutic benefits, and is known for its skin-nourishing properties. In addition to the Blue Lagoon, there are several other natural and historical attractions in Iceland, including the Golden Circle, the Vatnajökull National Park, and the Northern Lights. These places offer a range of experiences, from exploring the island's rugged and dramatic landscapes to learning about its rich cultural history and folklore. Whether you're looking to relax and rejuvenate or simply enjoy the beauty of the island's geothermal waters, the Blue Lagoon is a truly one-of-a-kind experience. Number 9. The Tunnel of Love is a lush and picturesque railway tunnel located in the town of Klevin, Ukraine. This lush tunnel of trees is a popular spot for couples, and its enchanting atmosphere is sure to leave a lasting impression. When you visit the Tunnel of Love, you'll be enchanted by the lush, green walls that line the railway tracks. The tunnel is formed by trees and shrubs that have grown up along the tracks, creating a natural canopy overhead. It's said that if two lovers make a wish while walking through the tunnel, it will come true, making it a popular destination for couples. In addition to the Tunnel of Love, there are several other natural and historical attractions in Ukraine, including the Carpathian Mountains, the Kiev-Pechersk Lavra, and the ancient city of Lviv. These places offer a range of experiences, from exploring the country's rugged and dramatic landscapes to learning about its rich cultural history and folklore. Number 10. The Wisteria Tunnel is a breathtakingly beautiful natural wonder located in the city of Kitakyushu, Japan. It's known for its stunning wisteria flowers, which bloom in stunning shades of pink and purple and create a magical and serene atmosphere. When you visit the Wisteria Tunnel, you'll be amazed by the beauty and fragrant aroma of the wisteria flowers. The tunnel is formed by hundreds of wisteria vines that have grown up along a path, creating a natural canopy overhead. It's a truly magical and enchanting experience, especially when the flowers are in full bloom. In addition to the Wisteria Tunnel, there are several other natural and cultural attractions in Japan, including the Tokyo Skytree, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, and Mount Fuji. These places offer a range of experiences, from exploring the country's modern cities and vibrant culture to learning about its rich history and traditions. Whether you're looking for a peaceful escape or simply want to experience something truly beautiful and serene, the Wisteria Tunnel is a truly one-of-a-kind experience. Number 11. The Fairy Pools are a series of crystal-clear pools and waterfalls located in the Isle of Skye, Scotland. This natural wonder is known for its stunning scenery, clear waters, and idyllic location, making it a popular destination for hikers, swimmers, and nature lovers. When you visit the fairy pools, you'll be amazed by the beauty and tranquility of the natural scenery. The pools are fed by a series of waterfalls that cascade down from the nearby mountains, creating a truly breathtaking sight. The crystal clear waters are also popular for swimming, especially on warm summer days. In addition to the fairy pools, there are several other natural and cultural attractions in Scotland, including Edinburgh Castle, the Loch Ness Monster, and the Culloden Battlefield. These places offer a range of experiences, from exploring the country's rich history and cultural heritage to discovering its rugged and dramatic landscapes. Number 12. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are a series of underground caves located in the Waikato region of New Zealand's North Island. They are known for their unique and stunning natural beauty, including the thousands of glowworms that illuminate the caves with a soft, ethereal light. When you visit the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, you'll have the opportunity to explore the caves and see the glowworms up close. In the caves, they create a truly magical and ethereal experience, as the delicate light reflects off the cave walls and ceiling. In addition to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, there are several other natural and cultural attractions in New Zealand, including the Bay of Islands, the Milford Sound, and the Tongariro National Park. These places offer a range of experiences, from exploring the country's stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures to learning about its rich Maori culture and history. Number 13. The Door to Hell, also known as Darvaza Gas Crater, is a burning natural gas field located in the deserts of Turkmenistan. It is a truly unique and spectacular sight, as the natural gas that escapes from the crater has been burning continuously since 1971. When you visit the Door to Hell, you'll be struck by the sheer size and intensity of the burning gas crater. The flames and smoke from the crater can be seen from several kilometers away, and the heat from the fire is palpable even from a safe distance. Despite the dangers, many people visit the Door to Hell for the opportunity to witness this truly unique and awe-inspiring natural phenomenon. In addition to the Door to Hell, there are several other interesting and cultural attractions in Turkmenistan, including the ancient ruins of Merv, the Ashgabat National Museum of History, and the Kipchak Mosque. Number 14. Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The best time to visit Plitvice Lakes is during the shoulder season months of May, June, September, and October, when the crowds are smaller, and the weather is still pleasant. The park is known for its 16 interconnected lakes and cascading waterfalls, which are surrounded by lush forests and wildlife. The park has several walking trails that range from easy to moderate and take between 2 to 8 hours to complete. The most popular trail is the circular route that starts and ends at the park's entrance and takes around 4 to 6 hours to complete. Along the way, you'll see stunning vistas and unique features like the Great Waterfall, the Big Lake, and the boardwalks that wind over the crystal-clear lakes. Overall, a trip to Plitvice Lakes National Park is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will leave you in awe of the natural beauty of Croatia. Number 15. The Red Beach in Panchin, China is a unique and stunning natural wonder that should not be missed. The best time to visit the Red Beach is in the autumn months, usually from late September to early November, when the red seaweed sueda is at its brightest and most vibrant. The Red Beach gets its name from the bright red seaweed, which covers the entire beach and turns it into a stunning crimson color. The best way to see the beach is by walking on the boardwalks that wind through the wetlands, allowing you to get up close to the seaweed and take in the unique beauty of the area. You may also see migratory birds and other wildlife in the wetlands. The beach can be muddy and wet, so it's best to wear waterproof boots or shoes that you don't mind getting dirty. What surreal place would you like to visit? Let us know what you think in the comments section down below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.